Good and welcome to Henze tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be considering Binance Charity. But before I go ahead to consider this, I just want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in need of something and then obviously you never got that need? Have you been so desperate for something and then you just couldn't get it? Have you also tried wishing that you had the money or the funds for you to have gone to school at an earlier time than you did and you just never had the opportunity? Okay, probably you went to school, it's okay. But have you ever wished you could get a course, but you never had access to that course? Probably because of the money, or at that point in time, you had lost all your money, investment, so many things, or there was literally nobody for you to reach out to. Well, in the course of today's video, I will tell you about somebody who has been helping and reaching out to people. But before I go ahead to tell you of the great deeds of those philanthropic enough, well, why don't you subscribe to my channel first and foremost? And then also, I've dropped a lot of videos and assets for everything you need to get started. Well, Binance Charity, or Binance, as you all know, is a cryptocurrency exchange. But if it was only cryptocurrency they did, probably everybody would just be like, oh, they're just there to just for you to trade and make profit off you and all that, or to help you make profit, but it's beyond that. Binance is willing to always help people achieve their goals. And they also have a human side of them willing to help people out. So you see, the current earthquake that happened, Binance was part of it that helped people. There has been relief funds, as you can see. There's so many things that they've done. So let's just take a close look here, and then we'll see some other things. The earthquake that happened in Turkey, in Syria, of course, Binance has been helping. And they are also giving people the opportunity for them to donate. Of course, you know that people's houses have been destroyed. People are now homeless. People no longer have clothes to wear. There's just a whole lot of things. Children running around without food and all that. And Binance is saying, we are willing to help out and reach out to people who are in current circumstances. So they are trying to raise close to $1 million. But out of the $1 million, they've just been able to raise about 211. And so you want to donate, good and fine, you click on the donate button. So how do you access this site for you to pay? Simply go to binance.charity. That's all. So once you go to binance.charity, which is what you can see here, up here, you have access to it. But obviously, before you even consider going to binance.charity, please do me a favor. Use the link in the description below and get registered on Binance. It will be way easier for you even if you decide to consider dropping, even if it's $1 or $1 BUSD, even if it's 5, even if it's 10, whatever thing it is that you decide is going to be awesome. So here we see that we have number of persons who have donated. You can see 745 donors. So people have really been donating to the earthquake victims in Syria because they are trying to see, let's see what we can do for these people. Let's see how we can help them. See, for Turkish, 75,000, Mexico, 75, Mexico, 75. So, and you can see all the dates. The thing about it is that Binance is quite transparent about the money that people donate. So some persons have dropped 15 BUSD, BNB 0.01, 101. So you see, this is all that people are actually doing just to help out for the people who have been doing this. That's how much Binance is helping. Binance gives children lunch. You can see there what they are doing for children. They are giving them lunch. You can see how they are really helping out. And you want to see more of their projects. Even for the Ukraine war, Binance has also been involved. They have the heart of a human. So you can see, even education as well, Binance is also there. The ones that have done about it, 100%, you will see it. How much has been deposited, you will see it. The number of persons who have deposited, you will see it. For these 71,000 persons have deposited. And then for Africa as well. So whenever they reach the point they want, good and fine. That's it. they bring an end to it. So you can see how much people are depositing to help those who are going through issues. So saying all this, so once you've registered, you click up here and click on support us. So the support us page will take you to the place where you can donate money to all those people. You can click on any particular project you want to donate money to and let Binance reach out to these people. So you can see again here, end beneficiaries 27, donors 1585. So sometimes what Binance simply do is that sometimes you can also donate as an organization, or you can donate as an individual. At all, they just ask you some little questions and all that, and then you're good to go. So you can see Binance Charity Wallet, which is what is here. And then so if you click on donate, you can choose with whatever cryptocurrency you have, asset you have there. You exchange it. If it's 1 BNB or 0.01 BNB that you have to offer, that's $3. And so people have all this, and once you're done, you click on this, you confirm, and then you proceed to the next, and then you continue. So if it's an individual, this way you fill in your name, and then if it's a company, you type in the name of your company, put in your email address, source of funds, and then message. It's that simple. And then Binance lets you proceed with everything. So I really want to thank you for watching this video. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button, and don't forget also